Hello friends, welcome to my new tutorial. This time we'll crochet a puppy like this one. I'll take grey and white YarnArt jeans and the size of my hook is 1.6. Let's start from the ears. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop and then a chain. In the second round we make 1 single crochet in the first loop, 1 single crochet in the second loop and increase in the third loop. 2 single crochets in 1 loop and repeat. 1, 2, increase, a slip stitch and a chain. In the third round we make increase in the first loop, then 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3 and repeat. Increase, 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, a slip stitch and a chain. There are 12 loops in the round and we make the next 4 rounds without changes for 12 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, a slip stitch and a chain. We've made 8 rounds and now fold in half and make through the opposite loops 1 single crochet, another one in the next pair of loops, then we make decrease a single crochet and another single crochet in the last pair of loops. Then we make a chain and leave the long end of the thread to sew the ear to the head. And we make the second ear in the same way. The next detail is a tail. We make a magic loop and 5 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the thread and we don't make a slip stitch. We begin the next round in the first loop of the previous one. We make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we crochet the next round in the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the next round, we make increase, 2 single crochets in one loop, then 1, 2, 3, and 4 single crochets. In the next round, we crochet 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 6th round, we make 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and then 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the last round, we make 1 half double crochet, increase with half double crochets, 1, 2, and then 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the tail to the body. So we've made the smallest details and we'll continue to crochet in the next part.